Guys, just want to do a quick market update. Review the markets and take a look at a few positions open that we have and some stocks to watch for tomorrow. So first we take a look at the spiders. Spiders, we had a gap down. So there was a good long buying opportunity. The markets after a big move, we are moving sideways, and any gap down at this point of time is really a buying opportunity. So unless we break some key levels, I wouldn't really be looking at bearish. But keep in mind tomorrow I think there's NFP numbers. So if there's some funky action happening on the short side, I have a short idea as well. Let's take a look at Qs. Qs once again, gap down, move lower, and then we closed higher, which shows there's strength in the markets. IWM, another strong day after a strong day yesterday with some decent volume. We had a good follow through candle again. So lots of opportunities in the small cap names. If I have time, I will try to look in the put in some day trades. And so do follow me on Twitter or StockTwits wherever you're watching it. If I find some good ideas, I will post it through. Let's take a review of our current position, which is in VMW. VMW today with the market gap down, we had a gap down in VMW as well. Remember yesterday we talked about the key price, which was 61.20. So 61.20 was the key price that we highlighted yesterday. The whole reason, if you want to go look back the video, you can. But the whole reason why was after a big move yesterday, you keep on seeing 61.20 is being held really nicely, and then there was a big push as well on 220 yesterday. Now with the market gap down, what my thought process was, if we were to go back over 61.20, chances are we will be going back higher, and that is exactly what happened. We had a gap down. Pull up the 5-minute chart. So we had the gap down, which gap down below 61. I had my stop loss at break even. So we had a gap down, and we had a move up. Then we had a pull back over here, and this is where I actually got in, somewhere around 950, 955. So I got back around 61.20 and sold some off around 61.50 something. So I was risking about 8 cents. On 200 shares, 8 cents, only $16, and sold most of it around 61.50, so made around 65 bucks, risking 16 bucks, so decent risk reward. Again, why 61.20 is a key level. If you see around 10.55, again there's a big push. Once we came down, market they were not able to break down 61.20, and we had a big rise back up. I'm still long. I still have 200 shares on my position, which is open. So we'll see what happens tomorrow. One of the names you're looking at still is SM. Had a gap down with the markets. Stocks is not getting changed over here. Okay, let's see. Okay, let's see if this works. So we still have SM. We're still looking at the key 33 level. See what happens around those levels. Looks still a pretty strong stock. YELP. YELP is one of the stocks that we were looking at, and 2650 level, which we were highlighted. Let's see what happens tomorrow. If we have some kind of a push, the sideways consolidation, if we have a good follow through, then chances are I will be looking at it. And once again, as mentioned, tomorrow is NFP number, so if there's any kind of market weakness or profit taking on the short side, YY would be the one that I'll be looking at. That's it for the day, and have a good evening, guys.